We're seeing now Beis Shem is both up Dalet, Amid base. We're up in middle. We're into almost, yeah, exactly in the middle. Kamek Shom Yedu, Nevim Kedei Revia. Maloi Klei Mazik Shloisha Tfachim, Divri Meir. 3 Tfachim of rain. Mit Oime Betchille Tefer, Shnia Tevchaim, Shlish is Gimel Tfachim. The third shear has to be Gimel Tfachim. We see from here that the later Revias have to be more than the first one. So the shear Revia is only 1 Tefach. Tchila Revia. Because the Revia, the Gemara mentions before, the shear Revia by the first one. Here. Betchila Kedei Revia. Here it is. So we see that the shear Revia is the first one, that's the least, and then it keeps on becoming bigger. Tanya Pshim ben Lazo Ein Lecha Tefach Sheyoret Malan She'enik Oretz Ma'alat Tevchaim Kenegdoi. It comes up 2 tefach from the Tohaim. My time, where do we see that? Tohaim al Tohaim Koirei Koyetz Nerecha. It shows that one Tohaim calls the other Tohaim. So the upper Tohaim calls the bottom Tohaim. Once he sends down rain, he should also send up rain. Amar Levi. Amayim al Yorim Zucharim. L'chleim Lekevus. My timer. Tiftach Eretz v'yifru Yasha. Tiftach Eretz Kenekeva. Shazay Sheches Lefnei Ezach. It's like opening, just like a Nekeva opens up. Yifru Yasha Zipiri V'rivya. It's a marshal, just like the Perivia. The earth also gives out fruit, vegetables and fruits. Stoka Tasmiach the years Gishon. And Ishem Barasa, Kach Barasa, but Kino the Yeshiva Shalom. I'm Achel Tom Hashem Gamliel. Only Kishma Revia Shirvas is earth. That's why it's called Revia Rishona. Just like a Zohar and a Keva, that's how the rain is Revas is earth, and that's how fruit comes out. Only the top level drinks. No, you must say that it comes down all the way to the end of the roots. He's asking a question. So how can it be Fiches Suma? If it only drinks the Fiches Suma, so how can they go down so deep and drink and give to drink for the roots? Time oile. Imashke oisa. My time Ani Hashem Nitzra Legoim Ashkena. I watch it and I give it a drink. It means I bring up the Tohaim in order to drink. Imkain Mayasu. What's supposed to be Imkain Mayasu here? Imkain. I'm missing the words here. Imkain Mayasu. Shoshe. Ton, Moitza Shana Chasera, Nois Nachasraina. Adain Chasena Yomim Lecheshmer Shel Tekufa. So we don't start only until the Tekufa is done already. Im Lav, Hoichan Achas Sidra. Yerushalayim Gamliel. So the question is, when do you start this cheshbon? You start the third day of cheshbon. You go after cheshbon of Chama or cheshbon of Lavan. So Neil says you always have to figure out that according to the Kufa, if it's still early, then you have to give some extra days. Rabbi says no. You have to normal. If this is called cheshbon, then you have to figure out as it's really cheshbon. Besides, if it's muberes. Or the opposite. Hoichan Achri Bura means that when it comes to cheshbon, it's very kislev. That's what it means. Hoichan Achri Bura. You imagine that Hoichan, not like the Seder. Like Seder means like you call it. Like the name is. No, Achri Bura means not like the Seder. Since you put an extra month in, we calculated that the last month, that's Adar Sheni, is Adar Sheni, and the Adar Rishon is Shvat. Because we say that the Ibur is the real deal here. In Mamela, when it comes to Cheshbon, it's really kissed already. What does it mean? Imle yard called Adar Sheni, also les anas oit. Beginning, for sure, we don't consider it. Cheshbon is called Cheshbon. But the Besoif Nitzrucha, when it's already in the end, the din is if it's Lo Yardu, Kol Nissen, you don't fast anymore. So we say on this that it's already considered that it's already past already Nissen, the Besoif Nitzrucha. This Gemara is very sassim. There's a lot of pshatim here. What means the Besoif Nitzrucha? But I think I followed after Rav Lieberman, and he explains this pshat, the Besoif Nitzrucha. The din of not allowing to fast if Nissen passed already. That means the Besoif Nitzrucha. Let me see here. The Korban Eidah says the Besoif Nitzrucha k'moy kashya k'loimer the Besoif k'moy. It's very not clear, but I think this is the best pshat. So if anybody finds a better pshat, then he should tell me. Okay, this is Dalet Ahmed Base.